The concept of equity in social justice refers to the principle of fairness and justice that aims to address the systematic disadvantages as well as the inequalities that are faced by the different social groups. Now, it recognizes that the individuals have the diverse starting points as well as they have the need for the different level of support, to achieve the equality. Now it focuses on redistributing the resources as well as the opportunities and the privileges to ensure that the historical marginalized groups and the disadvantaged groups have the access to the same opportunities and the outcomes as the privileged groups. Now it acknowledges that treating everyone the same may perpetuate existing disparities, and it also strives to create the conditions where all individuals can thrive, regardless of the various factors that includes their background, their caste, race, identity, or any other circumstances. Now, when we talk about the characteristics of equity, equity ensures the fairness by recognizing as well as by addressing the historical disadvantages and the systematic barriers that have resulted in the inequalities among different social groups. Now, equity involves providing the targeted support and the interventions to the individuals of the society as well as the different communities who have been historically marginalized or disadvantaged. Now, equity focuses on the redistribution of resources, as we have discussed earlier. It also aims to provide the equal opportunities and privileges to create a more balanced society. Now, equity thrives. It strives to ensure the access to all individuals to the opportunities as well as the rights and as well as all the resources to all the individuals in the society. Now, equity may involve implementing the affirmation action policies to provide the opportunities for the underrepresented societies. And at last, equity recognizes the diversity of the different groups as well as the recognition and the values the different groups in the society and the community, and acknowledges that the different groups in the society may require different kind of support to achieve equality.